I'd go as far as to say that I'm breaking new ground with this course. I'm saying a Romany perspective because it's rather different from most, in fact all, other shamanic courses that are presented in modern times. I'd go as far as to say that I'm breaking new ground with this course. I'm challenging the idea of core shamanism. I'm challenging everything that's been done that has elements of cultural appropriation contained within it. I firmly believe that areas of core shamanism that are practiced are not actually taking the individual's interest, the individual's well-being on board. And the reason I think this is because it's actually steering us away from the ancient context of shamanic interaction rather than leading us to it. In this course, I want to take the individual student who comes to work with me through a kind of an apprenticeship in a way, but an apprenticeship where they are being introduced to themselves and to their own real abilities. This course will help them, or you, if you're one of them, to attach an ancient flavour, a real ancient flavour to what you're doing, so that you can get far more in touch with the ancient context of shamanic interaction and animism and everything associated with this area than you would otherwise do. We'll be studying a whole wealth of subjects, and some of those subjects will start branching off if they are relevant to you, if it's something that you really would love to bring into your work. We shall be looking to the ancient horizon, where we can discover all that we might have had we remained as our Indo-European ancestors intended. Our engagement with ritual theatre and its effects. Studying the necessity and purpose of rhythm, dance and music. And experimenting with a mindset we would all once have had. All these exciting things will lead us to a magical life we wouldn't otherwise have an opportunity to explore. A certificate and entry onto my SCC listing will invite clients to your door. So this course is twofold, exploring your own connections with this ancient world, while also learning to apply such methods for helping clients. There's so much to learn. What we're trying to do is to find that richness, that power, that purpose in what our ancestors did. And we can bring that into our modern world and not meddle with it so much that we lose the context. It's going to give you a lot of self-belief, self-confidence, self-worth, and that's something we need generally every day. And I'm going to be producing a lot of what my own ancestors talk about. And believe me, it's eye-opening. So I think I've said enough for now, but please do sign up for this course if you wish to come and be a part of it. I want this revolution to happen, and I want us all to find something that is real and that is going to help us in our lives and help us to help other people. It'll ripple out. I will be very pleased to hear from you. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for listening.